Apart from calculating the maximum and minimum value of y or x on a turning point, we can be given a straight function and be asked to determine the turning point of the function. You can check out our video on how to calculate the maximum and minimum value of x and y. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Consider this example. Imagine if you're asked to find the turning point of a function y is equal to 2x cubed minus 6x squared minus 18 plus 3. We already know that at turning points, dy dx is equal to 0. Therefore, dy dx is equal to differentiation of 2x cubed is 6x squared minus differentiation of 6x squared is 12x. Sorry, there should be x here. And differentiation of minus 18x is 18. Differentiation of a constant is 0. And this is equal to 0. Therefore, 6x squared minus 12x minus 18 is equal to 0. We can decide to divide both sides by 6. If I divide by 6, I'll be having x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic function. And we can solve it using the factorization method. The coefficient of x squared here is 1, and 1 multiplied by minus 3 is minus 3. So the number in between is minus 2. We need to determine two numbers, which when we multiply it together, it will be minus 3. And if we add it together, it will be minus 2 rather. And this will be 1 and minus 3. Minus 3 multiplied by 1 is minus 3, and minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. Therefore, our factors are x squared minus plus x minus 3x minus 3 is equal to 0. If I factor out x, I will be having x plus 1. If I factor out minus 3, I will have x plus 1, and this is equal to 0. X plus 1 and x minus 3 are the factor. So let's solve for x. This implies that x plus 1 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 or 3. This implies that we have to substitute x equal to 1 and x equal to 3 in the original function. And the original equation is y is equal to 2x cubed minus 6x squared minus 18x plus 3. Therefore, when x is equal to minus 1, I have that y will be equal to 2 into minus 1 cubed minus 6 minus 1 minus 18 minus 1 plus 3. This is same thing as 2 minus 1. Minus 1 cube is same thing as minus 1. And minus 1 multiplied by 2 will be equal to minus 2. Minus 2. Minus 6. Minus 1 square is 1. 1 multiplied by minus 6 is minus 6. And minus 18 multiplied by minus 1 will be plus 18 and plus 3. This is equal to minus 2 and minus 6 is minus 8, and minus 18 plus 3, plus 18 plus 3 will be 21. So if I subtract, or if I add minus 8 plus 21, I'll be having 13. Therefore, the first point will be x minus 1 and y 13. Let's solve for y when x is 3. We have our equation to be y equal to 2x cubed minus 6x squared minus 18x plus 3. And we have x to be 3 when x equal to 3. Y will be equal to 2 into 3 cube minus 6 into 3 square minus 18 multiplied by 3 plus 3. And this is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 cube is 27. And minus 6 by 3 square is 9 minus 18 multiplied by 3, 54 plus 3. 2 multiplied by 27 is 54 minus 6 multiplied by 9 is 54 minus 54 plus 3. Therefore, this minus 54 and this will go, and we'll be left with minus 54 plus 3. Minus 54 plus 3 is minus 51. Therefore, for x to be equal to, when x is equal to 3, we have the point to be 3, minus 51. And this implies that the points, that is the turning points, are minus 1, 13, and 3, minus 51. Consider this example. If you have a function y equal to 6 minus 4x minus x squared, and you are asked to find the turning point. So to solve for this, we need to first of all calculate the values of x. Then dy dx is equal to differentiation of a constant is 0, and differentiation of minus 4x is minus 4. Differentiation of minus x squared is minus 2x is equal to 0, because at the turning point, the gradient dy dx is equal to 0. This implies that minus 4 minus 2x is equal to 0. Then 2x is equal to minus 4 plus or minus 4, and x is equal to plus or minus 4 divided by 2, and x is equal to plus or minus 2. Then for x to be equal to x, that is when x is equal to 2, we substitute it back to this expression. We have that y is equal to 6 minus 4 into 2 minus 2 all squared. This is equal to 6. Minus 4 multiplied by 2 is minus 8, and minus 2 squared is 4, and this implies that 6 minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12, which is equal to minus 12. This implies that for x equal to 2, y is this, then the point will be 2 and minus 12. And for x to be equal to 2, when x equal to minus 2, we have the original equation to be 6 minus 4x minus x squared. Y will be equal to 6 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2 all squared. Then y is equal to 6 minus 4 multiplied by minus 2 is 8. And minus 2 squared is 4. Or we have minus 4. This is equal to 6 plus 8 is 14 minus 4. And this is y is equal to 10. Therefore, the point will be x minus 2 for x and 10 for y. And the turning point will be 2 and minus 12 and minus 2 and 10. This is the final answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you have any question, feel free to email us at science-elearningacademy@gmail.com, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more updates.